I just tested 5 AI tools that are going insanely viral right now. AI tools are exploding every single week, but most of them overhyped, useless, forgettable. So I went through the noise and found the ones that actually matter. And the last one, honestly, it feels illegal.
First up, an AI that can turn a simple idea into a full video. You type one sentence, and it generates script, visuals, even voice. Content creation just became 10x faster. And yeah, those are cool, but they're not even the crazy ones. Because the next tools, they don't just help you, they replace entire workflows. This AI can literally build websites from scratch. No coding, no design skills. Just describe what you want, and it builds the entire thing. Live.
At this point, I thought I'd seen everything. Until I tested the last one.
Now this one is where things start getting weird. It's an AI agent. You don't tell it how to do something, you just tell it the goal, and it figures out the steps on its own. Research, execution, optimization, all automatic.
This AI doesn't just generate content, it makes decisions, real ones. You give it access to your workflow, and it starts improving things without asking. Better outputs, faster results, less effort. It doesn't feel like a tool anymore. It feels like something else.
This is where everything changes. Because the people using these tools, they're moving faster than everyone else, creating more, building more, earning more, while most people don't even know these exist yet. And
this isn't about AI replacing people. It's about people using AI, replacing everyone else.
If you want the exact tools I used, I'll break them down in the next video. Dette meg litt arbeidet, ni kun straight for Fartwitz inni, alle rising wants videos, trust me, you don't want to miss that.